Welcome to the ARDA.com's tutorial on analyzing items in a data file. In addition to providing basic frequencies for each survey item, the ARDA can also be used to conduct simple analyses. This tutorial offers step-by-step instructions on how to locate, analyze, and store survey items for future use. To begin, we discuss locating survey items. To find data files, we click on the Data Archive button on the home page. We are then taken to a page that lists the data files by category. For this example, we're going to look at the General Social Survey. While we have many General Social Surveys, we're going to look specifically at the General Social Survey of 2012 today. Next, we click on the gray tab marked Codebook to look at the survey questions. Scroll down to view the various survey items in the codebook along with the frequencies. To find a specific question, hold down the Control key and press F. I'm going to type in the word literal because I'm interested in literal interpretations of the Bible. The first appearance of the word actually has a question pertaining to biblical literalism. Here, we see that 31% of respondents believe the Bible is the actual Word of God and is to be taken literally, word for word. If we want to look at the responses a little more in depth, just click the Analyze Results button for that survey item. The item responses are broken down by color and displayed in the pie chart on the right. We can also change this to a bar chart if we're interested. If we scroll further down, we can actually break down responses by certain social categories like race. Here, we can break down responses among whites, blacks, and other racial groups and compare across those groups. This is a unique feature of the ARDA. For this survey, we can also look at responses broken down by age, religion, and sex. If we go back to our codebook page, we can actually store questions using the Add to Question bank. Here we're going to store our question pertaining to biblical literalism and also store a question pertaining to belief in God. We click the Add to Question bank link, and then we click the View Question bank to look at those questions that we saved. This can be very useful if we're ever interested in putting together our own survey for future use. However, it is important to note that questions added to your question bank will be cleared when you close your browser unless you click the Save Bank function. Scroll up to the top right and click that Save Bank button. Here, you can change the name of your question bank. For example, we're going to change this to GSS 2012 Question Bank, then click Save. We now have a unique link for our question bank. This link creates a permanent copy on the ARDA. Whenever you or anyone else wants to access the question bank, simply copy and paste the URL into a web browser, as shown here. Once you enter the URL, a question bank page like this shows up, showing the name of your question bank along with the items that you saved. You should now be fully capable of analyzing survey items in a data file. Thank you for watching the ARDA.com's tutorial.